Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Kids Model Kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can introduce to your children, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, problem-solving, and fine motor skill development. These kits transform simple plastic or wooden pieces into impressive replicas of vehicles, animals, or structures, providing a tangible sense of accomplishment as your child brings their creation to life. It's a wonderful way to foster patience and focus, turning screen time into productive, hands-on fun that sparks imagination and builds confidence with every glued seam and painted detail. Number 5. Made by Me. Build and paint wooden toy cars. Get ready to build and design 3 of your very own wooden race cars. These durable cars are made from solid pine wood and feature action wheels, perfect for any track. With 12 vibrant paint colors and fun sticker sheets, you can make each car unique. Mix and match colors to create eye-catching designs and add cool decals. This kit has everything you need to build and customize your cars. The pieces are pre-cut and pre-sanded, making assembly simple and quick without any extra tools. Looking for a fun activity? This is a great gift for creative kids and perfect for parties or playdates. It's a fantastic way to spend time together. Inside the box, you'll find all the wooden pieces, sandpaper, stickers, paints, brushes, and easy instructions. Everything is ready for you to start building and painting. Designed by crafters for kids, these are real wooden cars you can build and paint yourself. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating something special with your own hands. What we like. If you're looking for a classic crafting experience, this kit is perfect. It allows kids to build and customize their own wooden race cars with vibrant paints and stickers. If you want a hands-on activity that requires no extra tools and results in durable, playable toys, this is the one to choose. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. All the parts were included and fit together perfectly. The finished model looks great and is a nice addition to my collection. Number 4. Aestd-ST 50 Colors Polymer Clay Kit. Discover a world of color with our 50-piece polymer clay kit. It's perfect for sparking imagination in both kids and artists. This clay is wonderfully easy to shape and comes in a stunning array of colors. Its non-sticky, non-fading quality makes crafting a joy. Inside the convenient storage box, you'll find 50 vibrant clay colors, sculpting tools, and accessories. It's a complete starter kit for any project. Craft with confidence knowing it's made from soft polymer clay, free from common allergens and compliant with safety standards. It's a safe choice for your little ones. You can set your creations using an oven or a hairdryer for smaller pieces. Explore endless possibilities for shaping and molding. We're here to help with any questions you might have. Enjoy your creative journey with our dedicated customer support. What we like. For those who love to sculpt and create detailed figures, this polymer clay kit is ideal. With 50 colors and included tools, the possibilities are endless for creating jewelry, miniatures, and more. If you want a versatile clay that can be baked to a durable finish and comes with everything you need to get started, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The parts fit together perfectly, with no glue needed. The finished model looks great and is a fun addition to my collection. Number 3. CyAJM Polymer Clay 50 Colors Oven Bake Modeling Clay Kit. Discover a world of artistic possibilities with our polymer clay set, featuring 50 rich and vibrant colors. It's perfect for sparking imagination, enhancing skills, and creating lasting memories together. Crafted with safety in mind, our clay is made from non-toxic polymer that's soft, non-sticky, and easy to knead. It meets strict safety standards, providing a safe and enjoyable creative experience for children. This comprehensive kit includes 50 colors of modeling clay, sculpting tools, accessories, and a convenient storage box. You'll have everything you need to bring your ideas to life right out of the package. Easily bake your creations in the oven or use alternative methods for smaller pieces. Once hardened, your durable masterpieces can be painted, sanded, or drilled for a professional finish. Packaged beautifully, this kit makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a wonderful way to encourage artistic talent and provide hours of engaging, screen-free fun. From jewelry and miniatures to keychains and home decor, the possibilities are endless. This versatile modeling clay is suitable for beginners and experienced crafters alike. What we like. If you're seeking a comprehensive art gift that sparks creativity in beginners and pros alike, consider this kit. It offers 50 vibrant colors for crafting jewelry, miniatures, and home decor, with the ability to create durable, professional-looking pieces after baking. If you want a complete set that encourages artistic talent and provides hours of engaging, screen-free play, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making assembly straightforward. The finished model looks great and is a good size for display. All the parts were included and fit together well, with no missing pieces. Number 2. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 66 Colors. Discover a world of color with our Air Dry Clay set. It includes 66 beautiful shades, plus tools and resealable bags for endless creative possibilities. This soft, non-sticky modeling clay is perfect for little hands. It's easy to shape and encourages fine motor skills and imaginative play. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This modeling clay kit sparks creativity and provides hours of artistic enjoyment for birthdays or holidays. With 66 colors to explore, children can enhance their color recognition and hand-eye coordination. It's a wonderful way to encourage creativity away from screens. Rest assured, our modeling clay is made from safe, allergen-free materials. It meets strict safety standards, making it perfect for children aged 3 and up. We're here to help. Our customer service team is ready to assist with any questions you might have during your creative journey. What we like. If you prefer a mess-free and convenient crafting experience, this air dry clay kit is a great pick. With 66 colors, it's perfect for developing fine motor skills and color recognition, and the creations are super light. If you want a non-sticky, soft clay that dries without baking and is ideal for younger children or quick projects, this is the one. What people say. This kit is a great introduction to model building for young children. The pieces are large and easy to handle, making it suitable for small hands. The instructions are clear and simple, with helpful diagrams. Number 1. STEM Wood Building Project Science Model Car Kits for Kids. Introducing our exciting STEM kits designed for kids aged 8 to 12. These kits offer a fun way to explore science and engineering through hands-on building projects. Assemble a variety of cool vehicles like a 4-wheel drive, a tank, and even a solar helicopter. Each kit provides a unique challenge and learning experience. Discover how motors work and understand energy conversion principles while you build. It's the perfect way to learn STEM concepts in an engaging and interactive manner. These 3D puzzles enhance basic STEM knowledge, improve hands-on abilities, and spark imagination. They stimulate curiosity and a passion for discovery. Looking for a unique gift? These kits come in a beautiful box, making them an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion for children aged 8 to 14. Crafted from non-toxic plywood with smooth surfaces and rounded corners, these toys are designed for safety during assembly and play. What we like. For the young aspiring engineer or car enthusiast, this STEM kit is a winner. It provides 6 different wood building projects for vehicles, allowing kids to learn about mechanics and energy conversion through hands-on assembly. If you're looking for an educational gift that enhances STEM knowledge, improves practical skills, and sparks curiosity about how things work, this is an outstanding choice. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. All the pieces fit together perfectly, with no gaps or misalignments. The finished model looks great and is a fantastic display piece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.